Well, happy Friday, guys. Open type right in here in the middle of yesterday's main kind of balance and distribution. So not only that, but the overnight range and yesterday's trade, we're kind of in between these areas here. So I think this has the opportunity to be quite choppy and rotational. My plan today is to really scalp. I may short from the upper edge of yesterday's value and kind of distribution. I may get long from the lower area there. If we break out of either one of those and pull back, I will go with those opportunities to go long or short. And then really, that's going to be kind of, again, scalpy, short-term, direct moves, take 10 or 20 cents and be done with it. If, however, we hold above this area, I'll look for some aggressive longs. If we can hold below this area, 60-20, I'll look for some aggressive shorts. So that is it in a nutshell. Very concise, clear plans for the day. And I'll keep you guys updated in the chat with what I'm seeing as it unfolds. Happy Friday. I am in Iceland next week, out of the country. So we're going to have our very own Bruce Bowman come on and do sessions on, I believe, Monday morning and Friday morning. So you guys will enjoy that. Keep sharing. Keep doing all the great things that you do in the room each day. Use each other to grow. You don't just need me. So that's that. We will see you not next Monday, but the following. Cheers.
Many people want to be traders. They're passionate about markets, but they don't know how to accomplish the goal of being a successful trader. They don't know the path to achieve that goal. And it's easy to want to be a trader, but that doesn't mean it'll be easy to be one. And there's no easy path to any form of greatness, but there is a path. SMB Futures gives traders a way to move their trading forward, a way to rise above all those who try and fail. Whether you're just starting out or an established veteran, we have a place to plug you into our system and keep you moving forward down the right path. Maybe you need to connect with successful traders. Maybe you need training to develop mental toughness or find edge. Maybe you're ready to trade on our team, either remotely or on our New York desk, where you are backed by large amounts of capital, provided with world-class professional technology, where you work with a risk manager that knows you, within a culture of coaching and mentoring, at a firm that takes all the downside risk while encouraging you to become the best version of yourself. For those with the courage to make the journey, SMB Futures is here to move your trading forward.